Hello once again, I'm Eric Coons with Kaleidoscope Financial. So, you've been watching your statements, the markets are near all-time highs. You've earned the growth, but you probably also feel a nagging question. What if it doesn't keep going up like this? Turns out, that question is exactly the smart one to ask, and here's why. When markets are elevated, risk isn't gone, it's just hidden. There's volatility, there's valuation extremes, and a sequence of risk returns. All that stuff can hit a retirement portfolio when you're forced to withdraw funds or take money out. So why even explore a fixed or fixed indexed annuity? Because you don't always have the luxury of time. When you're retiring or already retired, you can just wait out a bad year if you choose to. You might have to withdraw, which can lock in your losses you never recover from. Because growth is important, but protection is equally important. If your portfolio is all riding on the next market leg up, then you're exposed. Fixed and fixed indexed annuities offer an alternative, a portion of your assets structured for stability, not just upside. Because when growth is hard to come by, thanks to high valuations, inflation, and rate uncertainty, the value of not losing goes up a lot. It's not sexy, but sometimes safe earns respect. And here's how you might frame it for you. Okay, Eric, I'm still mostly invested in equities. Growth is my engine. But what if I already have enough growth potential? What if what I really need now is a reliable foundation underneath that growth engine so I could sleep well, even if the market doesn't? Fixed or fixed indexed annuities can play that foundation role. They won't promise lightning returns, and you don't want them to when the market's fishing for surprises. So what you want is principal protection or near protection. A growth link if the market cooperates, and fewer of the wildest swings. At Kaleidoscope Financial, we don't chase every shiny headline. We ask, what happens if the market pauses, or goes sideways, or slips a little? Because when it does, most portfolios don't pause, they bleed. If you'd like to see what exploring that foundation looks like, not as a full shift, but as a strategic piece of your portfolio, you could drop us a line at info@kaleidoscopeannuity.com or eric@kaleidoscopeannuity.com. Lastly, I'm Eric Coons, founder of Kaleidoscope Financial, where we're tattooed, trusted, and transparent. Thank you once again for tuning in, everyone, and I hope you guys all have an amazing and blessed weekend.